Hey everybody, my name is Rene Illescas with Team Rene, and this is Market Monday. Let's chat about real estate and how did it perform this June versus the previous year. We're going to go into some great stats. We're going to talk about Oakville, Burlington, and Hamilton. So let's start with Oakville. What did we notice? In terms of inventory, what we did notice is that it went down just a little bit, 5% versus May. However, this units sold actually went up 11% versus the previous year. So if we look at pricing, this is one that the detached houses in Oakville are just skyrocketing. We're at 23% higher versus last year. We're almost at 1.7 million, which is just crazy. So good for you if you live in Oakville in a detached house. In terms of townhouses, we noticed 20% higher than the previous year. Condo market, we noticed 19% higher as well. So if we jump into Burlington, what we do see here is that the inventory stayed really flat versus the previous month. We look at the other side of the screen, though, you notice that units sold went up 43% versus 2020, which is just absolutely insane. So, if you own a home in Burlington, good for you because you're going to love these numbers. So, the detached housing market went up 37% versus the previous year. It's just a big number, lots of demand in Burlington at the moment. So, also, the townhouse market did go up, not as much as detached, but still up 11%, but it's hovering around 833,000 for a townhouse in Burlington, which is still pretty high versus the previous year. The condo market's doing really well. It's up 24%. If we look at Hamilton, inventory did drop 16%, which is quite a bit more than the other cities. But if we look at the other side, we notice that units sold went up 63%. So lots of activity in Hamilton, lots of demand. If we look at the detached market in Hamilton, we did notice 30% higher than the previous year, which is really high. Homes are now hovering around 690,000. Now, this one's very interesting. The townhouse market jumped 43% versus the previous year, which is just absolutely insane as well. In some pockets now we're seeing that the townhouses are selling 700,000 or higher. Same as a detached in some cases. So, condo market went up 23%, which is amazing. The previous year they were hovering at 330,000. Now they're at 405,000. So, Hamilton is doing extremely well, and we're going to keep an eye because we have a feeling this is not stopping anytime soon in the Hamilton area. So even though these numbers are absolutely high, and I know a lot of buyers are hoping to see a little bit of a drop, we do feel that the market will shift slightly. Keep an eye on micro pockets as well. There is hope out there. So the numbers are high, but we've seen in some situations, I mentioned this in my previous videos, that some people are holding offers and not getting any. So there's hope. Hang in there. Hope this video helps, and we'll be in touch. We'll see you in a few weeks. Any questions, please let us know. DM us. All the best. Have a great summer, and we'll see you soon.